Achoo! Guys, do you know what sneezing is? Yeah, sneezing means that cover your mouth with your elbow like this. Sneezing is that viruses and germs all over everywhere. Yeah. Sneezing is that viruses could be like that, and then viruses is like germs to help people. Yeah. So that's why. So sneezing is important. Sneezing means that there's tons of viruses, and you should cover your elbow like this, and then sneeze nicely. And then you know what? Sneezing is important for all people. Yeah, sneezing is the viruses are very cool. Yeah, or even rabbits. I know. Guys, can you guess how many cars do I have? 4. Good job. And you know what? Yeah, it has all tons of viruses and that. Yeah, viruses are emotional. Let me tell you about it. Viruses are various, and then the germs attack each other, and then germs are over that and sneezing like this. Yeah, sneezing is that when you are feeling sick or hurt, it's impossible to sneeze. Yeah, sneezing is that is tons of sneezing lighter, and then it has all tons. Sneezing is that virus covers germs like this. Make sure to wear a mask so that to protect you. Yeah, protect you from germs. Yeah, germs are very dirty because it has tons of batteries and injuries. And save injuries. Yeah, injuries. Yeah, look, I got injury. It's a scratch. See that? I know. Guys, don't you know that it virus has that? Let me tell you about it. Viruses are hamios to protect, to make to go to dirty places. Yeah, to go to dirty places. And even stink bug. Yeah. And you know what? Yeah, viruses are protection to virus. Throat is like from our throat. Yeah, like from our throat. Yeah, because it has tons of lives, and then like clothes, like laundries. Yeah, it has all tons of life. Yeah, sneezing is important to protect germs from sneezing, and then protection and then that's how you sneeze. That's how you sneeze. Do you want to play more?